start the site en.mrtlab.com. After here we have to register. So we go first login. It will ask me username, password. If we don't have, then we can go on registered. We will create a new ID, chip king, password, whatever we want to put, we can go. Company name, online ITI, online ITI. Online SA Khan, mail 010620211972, country India, provision city Surat, detail address if you have, piece code if you have, ID card is your card number, SNWG 60004. Email address, if you want to put email address, you can dial on email address. Skype ID if you have, email address is compulsory, so we will type online service training at gmail.com. Everything, mobile number if you have, you can down. Website, anything, whatever you have. The star thing means you have to compulsory input. Other is option. This is your verification code 3DMT. 3MT. You have to fill these things, then you go to submit. Online ITI registered. Please take care of your password. Okay. After registration, you have to log in again. Online ITI, and whatever be password you can type. Now you can see my card is activate. My username is activate. Card is on, we have to activate later on. So we already registered the username. So now we will go on download. We will go on the software, and here user MRT software download. We click on the MRT software download. Here again one download is there. See, it says the users as registered for the purchaser who is purchased the card. So we have to place an order first for the card. We want MRT Ultra. I click on MRT Ultra. English version, offline or online. Online means you can put the online here. Full version or repair version. I want full version. Online, offline means installment based or without installment. Chinese or English or Ultra or Express. Express is 2 SATA 1 ID. MRT Ultra is 4 SATA 1 ID. Chinese version means Chinese language will be there, and here is the English version will there. Offline means one time down payment. If you want to one time down payment, no network connection required. Online means pay in monthly installment. Full version means the data extractor and repair also, and repair version means only repair. Quantity 1. You can go here and click Intersoft. So the purchase order will go to Intersoft. So you can buy from the Intersoft, no problem. And shipping address, you can give the shipping address, whatever you have a shipping address, and you have to submit. So when you have to give the address from where to you have to manage the address. Shipping address, whatever you want to write, it will ship to you. Then we go and submit. we have to fill the verification code GYBLI. Then this submission will go to Intersoft and they will deliver. Till they doesn't delivered, you cannot go further. So you have make an order about this product, you not paid up. After paying, Intersoft will deliver to you. This is a Intersoft our number. We are the reseller of MRT. So whenever you buy the product, if you want to buy the MRT card, you can take Intersoft reseller option. You have to wait here. When the Intersoft supplier will give you a delivery, then you can start activation and everything you can do it. So we are waiting for a dealer reseller to submit to deliver the card. When card come, we install and we will download software and do it. Okay, so after activation, what we will do, we will show the detail. Till there we go to activation, waiting for the activation. Okay. Welcome friends, today we will see our MRT box. This is our MRT box. This will come from the MRT, this box. This box include different items. This is one box containing programmer, converter, terminal, this and card. These are the 4 things main and one cable. In one section we will see and on another box we will see different cable, that is a power cable, 2 power cable, 2 pair power cable, and another is a SATA cable. That is SATA cable, 4-port SATA cable and power cable. This is different cables, 2, 4, this, and this is another thing. I will explain whole the thing. First of all, this is your card. This is your new card, new version 2 card. Nowadays this card is coming new card. This is your new card. Older card, here is a PATA port, but instead of PATA they have put these 2 connection here also to give the supply. This is your 2 PATA port and 2 SATA port. So here instead old card you will see the difference, you will see the PATA connection, but this is a new version with new design. So this is your MRT Ultra card. It is Ultra, has a 4 port, and MRT Express has only 2 port card. So here you connect the power supply, here you connect the SATA port. And this is a new card, so here also 1-2 power supplies are there. You can connect. Onboard controller, power controller is here. You can see the LED here, MRT 123 LED here. So this is your first thing, is the MRT Ultra card version 2, and it has a card number here. Next thing, you will find the converter. These all type of converters are there. It will be connected like this, converters. Okay, here you can see the different categories. Here it is written Seagate, Toshiba, Hitachi and all those models, it will be written here. You can find the connection here. Here it is written here for Seagate, Hitachi, Toshiba and all those models, it is a terminal. Mainly we are using these in the Seagate terminal form. So we can use in Seagate these 2. We can broken like this, step by step we can broke like this. It's come as a joint, so we can broken it like this. These 2 things. One more is a USB terminal. This is your USB terminal. USB terminal in which we will connect this cable to directly computer. We will show you on the computer how to connect. This is connected here. and these will connect to the computer port. So this is your card. Here you can see channel 0, channel 1, channel 2, channel 3. This is your power and this is your SATA port, channel 0, channel 1, channel 2. Here you can connect the hard disk data cable and here you can give the power. This is your first option, and here you have to connect the power in. Here is a power in. You can see the power in. Okay, the power in supply will be connected here, and this is for your additional power supply. In a new card, this another power supply is there. Here is also power out 0, 1, 2, 3, and here is your channel 4, channel 5 output is there. Normally here 6 output. In the new card there is a 6 output, and old card you can see only 2 output card. This is an old card version 1, this is version 2. Version 1 has an BIOS programmer device here. Here you can see the COM port. COM port, and here you can connect here. So this is your 2 cards. You can see the difference is here. Both the difference are here. The design is same, power supply design is same, but additional the main card they have make a different designs. You can see the different designs here. Here is a no PATA connection. Instead of PATA, they have given 2 power supply additional. So this is your old card, this is your new card. Everything is same. You can check here. Okay, so we install this card in a system like this. We will connect. Its one power will become backside, and it will go to the system like this. Then we put the screw. This is fixed card. We have to give the power input here. So we connect 2 power input to this system, this card. So we connect the power input here. You have connected 2 card here. This is your BIOS programmer pin. We connect here for the EEPROM programmer. Here is some cable, power cable is there. We will have to connect this for the channel 1, channel 2, whatever you connect. You make one sticker here and note down this is channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, whatever. So we connect from the bottom, that we connect here. It has a connector here. So we put it like this, 1 and 2, whatever. If you want to connect 4 cable, you can connect the 4 cable. And SATA cable also you can connect here. You can connect here cable 1. This is your cable 2. Like this you can connect here also. 1 0 port, 1 port, 2 or 3. Like that you can connect the cable here also. This is your system configuration. So this is your okay. Now we have to activate the card. How to activate card, that we will see on the computer. After these connections, we will connect the driver also of this USB. We can connect to USB slot also, and now we will activate it. Then we will connect how to use it. We get the confirmations that they have activated my card and they have given me one card number XYZ. So we will once again we log out, then again we log in. We type online ITI and its password, then we go login. After login, you have to see online custom common users and everything details are here. Now I am going to download. In download we have a software. In a software, MRT software download. Here we will go on the click here to download. Here we have different versions depend on your programs. If you want the old version, you can download the old version 2.1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. Before this version, the SSD is free, and after this SSD has an additional charge. If you pay additional, you can start the SSD activity also. So we have a download new versions online or offline, MRT Ultra online, offline, Ultra Express, both the software are the same, so driver is different. So here we will install online version or offline. We have a card of online, so we put here online. So it will download, start download. This is MRT EN setup 2153 net, means it is online, and without net means it is a offline. So we start, put the download here, one options. Another also we have to download the USB terminal CP2106. For we apply Windows 7 and above, we will click here and we can click here. It will download the driver. And other software if you want to download, you can. This is the latest USB dongle. What it support, it has a new update on September 8 to 2020. New update has come. After September there is no update. So what they have upgraded is given detail here. This upgrade is free for user who paid the software. Means 215.1.2.3.4 whatever the new version will come, it is free. But if the new version come 216 and if your card is in warranty, then you can upgrade as a free. And if the card warranty has been gone, you have to pay for $140. So what they have update in SSD upgradation, they have all detail here. You can check here July 31st what they have updated 2152 versions, 2153 version what they have changes, which model they have added the support, everything they have given here. For Seagate what they have added unlock algorithm of EB0101 firmware A95, these all functions they have added in the new versions. These are the update versions. Before this there is 2141 version on October 30, 29, before 1 year. They have upgraded these things. After that they have modified and update these things like that. So whatever they updated, they are record here. Okay, so you have to see these things. There are some notes also, you can check the notes also. Download, there is document files, you can see the document, basic MRT basic tutorial. Then some videos tutorial is also there. You can download the videos tutorial. My software is downloading, so I am giving some another instruction also. The video of Seagate brush, video tutorial for some common Seagate busy problems, tutorial. These are the old tutorials are there. And they have forums also. You can use the forum also. Others resources they have put here. All the resources are here. Firmware, database, document, whatever the resources here. If you want the software, you can go from here also, download software, or direct here. Document if you want to, it's on download. Now we already download these 3 softwares. We extract to MRT and after extraction, one folder. These also we extract to CP210X, and here is our extracted file. We start running these applications, softwares. First of all, we go to driver setup. It will install the driver of the card. If you have Ultra card, you can select the Ultra. If you have Express card, you can select the Express. We have a Ultra 5 port card. We select Ultra 5 and then we will install. Okay, sorry. So in some program you have to run through the administrator. So here you require the run as administrator. We select MRT Ultra and install. After driver setup, it will take one folder and it will set up the driver of this card. And after installing the card, we will run this process. Installation of card complete. Okay. The driver has been completed. Okay, this version isn't completed version. If you have a 64-bit, we can run the 64-bit, and if you have 32-bit, we can run the 32-bit. Here is 2 driver. So we run the 64, run as administrator. Yes. After running this application, we will see where we have a space. We can set up another folder on that. So now we have to run the main software, MRT setup. When we run the MRT setup, this will accept the terms and condition. Then he will ask me where to set up the software. So we will go browse, we go to C drive, and here we will take MRT name folder. Make a new folder and he will take MRT lab. One new folder we are creating, MRT lab. Okay, and here it will set up all the extract all the files. If you not give any folder name, then it will defaultly take any folders, and if you make one folder, that will be good to find any applications. You can see we already installed this. Our card has been set up. If there is any problem related the driver, we can run another way, second time driver. Sometime we have to virtual, this also we have to set up VC Redist. These all process completed, then we will start. We already have Microsoft Visual C, so no need to install. Now we will go on MRT to run as an administrator. Run as administrator, yes. Now you can see this is an user registration. Because our card is first time running, so we required to activate the card. So we have to run again the Google, and we have to log in, enable, log in to website. We already have opened this, our software, login softwares are there. This is our main page. We go to control. When we go to control, here one device activation option is coming. When we click here device activation, one asking for input machine code. Paste from clipboard. We have to paste the machine code to generate MRT into text box below and submit. This will get the registration code. So when we run the MRT is here. You have to patch this code there. So we go here, then we copy, we paste here, and we go to submit. So at that time internet should be on, we submit. So this code is going to MRT, and MRT will give one registration code. This we have to paste on our MRT card. So we copy here, then we again go to MRT, and here we will make a paste. Now my card is activate. See, the MRT SATA control is not yet activate. When we activate, it will count days from these days only. So we have make an activate. Okay. MRT SATA controller has been activated successfully. Welcome to use MRT and restart the application. My card is activate. I can check here my device. You can check paid 0 installment, total amount 4320, and how much month it will be show here. My date of activation is here. Okay, which date? Expiry date means we have paid 1 month activation, so it will expire on next month 2nd February. Function is full, type is online, MRT Ultra English, and card number is here. This whole detail it will show here. Okay, so this is your card detail. Transaction, if you have make any recharge or detail or whatever you have make a payment. If you want to recharge your card, we can go to recharge and we can pay, recharge, my device, all options are here. Okay, this is your website. If you want to change the password, you can change your password. Okay, so this is my login. Now I already activate my MRT. So I will go to MRT and I will run again MRT. Run as administrator here. Yes. Now my MRT is starting. Data recovery tools. If there is no any other, port 1, port 2, port 3, all is open. Okay. Now these 0, 1, 2, 3 is there. This is my new version 2 card. So here 2 options is more in my new card. Already till now we are getting old version 1 card with an IDE support. Here no IDE support. Here is power 0 to 4, 0 to 3 and 4 power and 5 power is on. If we want some other source power, we can give the power from here also. Okay. Here you can see power supply mapping. This is coming with the new output. See, you can see power 4 and power 5 output is here. If I put here power, then power 4 is on. If you give power 5 light is on. This is our new card version 2 MRT Ultra and version 2 structure. Okay, so this is my now card is okay. Now next portion we will show you, and next video we will show you step by step how to do the work of these tools. So first we will go on Western Digital, then we will show you Seagate, Hitachi, Samsung, working hard disk. We will do the demo about how to use this device. Okay, but if you want to understand the very step by step deep knowledge, then you have to take the training about the WD, what are in the WD, what is the ROM, which are the important modules, how to tackle the cases, everything you will understand WD. Same thing Seagate. The main is important is Seagate. Seagate there is very main importance problems are coming. WD. Then some basic functions are here in Toshiba, Hitachi and all those things. SSD we not activate SSD. If you want to activate the SSD, then you have to pay the extra $700. Then SSD tools will be enabled here. Surveillance video hard disk also, it is a video recovery tools. If you have a videos card, you can do the recovery of videos. It is your data explorer. So this is your tools. We will explain these tools in the next video about how to. We already show you about how to install the card, how to activate the card. Okay, and how to download the softwares. Okay, so up to here my one video is clear. Some basic idea I will show how to use the MRT card. But if you want a very depth knowledge about troubleshooting and repairing and the recovery of the hard disk, you have to take online training or offline training and understand step by step. Okay, thank you.